Hello, Mark. Usually our USB soldering iron is paired with a color box. It's neutral. And on the left, there will be a white label. And here, when we open, there will be the USB iron. We can change the current stock, which had our brand, and change the neutral completely new without any wordings on here. And there will be a USB cable and a simple iron stand in the silicone grabber, so that we can remove the tip or replace tip even in the hot time. Okay, and then there will be a A4 paper. We can change the company information to yours, the title and the end of the paper, and we can print in-house. So we can meet your request. You can tell me how many quantities and that you want to test the samples. Thank you.